Hello everybody, Chef Lorek over here, and together with Share Fresh we came back. We want to share with you some new inspiration, and we have a beautiful recipe, of course with some ingredients that you can find in your weekly box. So this week I've chose the orange, which has a lot of healthy benefits for us, but also it's packed of vitamin C. And the second product that I've chose is the beetroot. This is a vegetable which is full of iron, magnesium, potassium, also has a lot of vitamin C. So I decided to put these two together and prepare for you guys carpaccio with baked beetroot, some segments of an orange. We're gonna do a beautiful dressing for that, and we have some additional ingredients for texture and additional taste. That's all. So I say let's start, because this is a beautiful recipe and it's really tasty. Let's go! The first thing to do is to preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius, fan option, and once that it's really hot, then we take care of the beetroots. We just simply take them as they are, we don't peel them, nothing. We put them on a baking tray, and this one goes into the oven for about 1 hour and 10 minutes. I'll show you later on how to check if the beetroots are baked. So, in the oven they go. The next thing we do is to prepare the orange. So as I said, we're gonna take the segments out, meaning, first of all, we're gonna take the skin off, then with a knife, cut between the skin and the pulp and extract only the pulp. This way the orange will be very tender and very smooth. Moving forward, we're gonna prepare the dressing. For that I recommend you to take a jar, empty jar, small one will do just fine. And we're gonna put here all the ingredients. Add the oil, the orange juice, lemon juice, vinegar, mustard, salt, pepper, and a bit of fresh thyme. Shake the jar for about 1 minute, and after that the dressing should get a thick consistency, meaning it's done. Time for the beetroots to come out. 1 hour passed and they are done. In order to check them, you just simply take a knife and you put it in, and you'll see it goes quite easily. If it's like really hard and you have to push it like very strong, then leave it in the oven for another 10-15 minutes. Okay, finally the beetroots are cold, so I'm gonna start to prepare them right now. Before doing that, I have 1 or 2 advices for you. I'm using a plastic board because beetroots tend to stain. Yeah, they have a red-purple color, and it's much easier to take it off of a plastic board that you can actually put also in the dishwasher, and it's much better like that, from my point of view. And the second one, if you are afraid or if you don't like the red color to be on your hands, you can also use gloves. But you know, we cook in the kitchen and we can wash our hands thoroughly after that, so it's no problem. And it's better to cut the plastic usage as much as possible. Peel off the skin, then using a knife or a mandoline slicer, just slice the beetroot as thin as possible as you can. After you're done slicing it, just put it in a bowl, and let's clean a little bit the working area and start plating. On a plate, add the slices of beetroot clockwise, making sure they look very pretty. Next, add the segments of the orange, they will look like a beautiful sun, and after that, drizzle 2-3 teaspoons or tablespoons of dressing. Crumble the goat cheese. If you want to keep this dish vegan, it's all good, just don't use the cheese. And then top it off with chopped walnuts. Decorate it with fresh thyme or microgreens, drizzle again 2 or 3 teaspoons of dressing, and you are done. And we are ready for today. As you see, it's an easy recipe to prepare, it's simple, few ingredients, and it's really tasty. If you want beetroots, you can prepare them 1 or 2 days in advance, store them in the fridge. When you are ready, take the remaining ingredients and prepare this beautiful dish. All you have to do right now is, first of all, take a good look at this beautiful dish, be proud of yourself, put it on the table, and share it with somebody that you love or care about. It's beautiful when you eat together this type of dishes. Also, if you want to learn some interesting and new things about vegetables and fruits, I invite you to check Share Fresh profiles on Instagram and Facebook. Sometimes we post some really interesting information over there. You can order your weekly box from sharefresh.org, always organic and fresh products. And I will see you next time. I will show you another way on how you can prepare some product that you can find in the weekly box. Chef Lorek and the Share Fresh, thank you very much for being with us. And I'm gonna start to eat right now, and I recommend you to prepare this dish and do exactly the same thing. Thank you very much one more time, and I'll see you next time.